Hello. Yeah, we're going to install a roof bar on this car. I was tossing between the Thule and this one, but I decided to go with this one for so many reasons. They're both the same, almost same quality, but this Yakima have competitive price than the Thule, and I like the style as well of this Yakima. Okay, so I received two boxes. One is the true bar and the fitting kit for my car. So basically, from the vehicle fitting kit, whatever vehicle is, so you will receive 4 of these foot and 8 self-stopping screws. Okay, so we'll fit those matching foot to each side of the crossbar. Okay, so this is what comes. I got inside the box, so the 2 cross Whispbar Yakima, and comes with the instruction manual and tools and of course a key. So I'll show you how we're gonna to install it. Okay, so what you're gonna do to attach these footings to the bar is use this key to remove the cover. This is a universal key, comes with a bar, so remove this one, then keep it inside, and this one just push it, there you go. Then you remove these 2 towel pins. You can remove by hand or use this tool that comes with in the box as well. So just push it out and pull it out and remove the buttons. So loosen this up, maybe around 10 turns. Okay, so then just press this one, and now you can see you can move this foot and upside down. So press this one there, you can move it around. Okay, so later you can adjust it to the roof of the car based on the width of your car. The bar comes pre-installed with a universal footings. So now using this one, so first what you have to do is adjust this to make it straight here. Okay, then find the right footings that will match the bar. You can see the slot here. Just align it there, or you can also do upside down and put the footings. So to fasten the foot to the bar, you just need to use this tool, the Allen key, access that hole there. There you go. Hold it properly and fasten it. There, so it should sit well. Just hand tight. There. Okay, that sounds good. Then I remove this one. Then you need to put this self-tapping screw on each side. There. Using the same Allen key. I just also hand tie too. And the next one, the other side. I just need to turn this out, make it easier. Yep, that's a hand tie. Now just do on all 4 sides too. Once you finish assembling the bar, so just place it on the roof. So measure the distance, so at least it's 700 millimeter apart, and check the groove is okay once we tighten this screw. this screw. So once we tighten that one, so it will hold well to this flush well. Okay, so it looks good now. So I'll tighten it up, fix it. Okay, so once you've done all the tightening of the screws, just put it there and lock it up. There you go. Okay, so this is how it looks like now, the roof bars, and I also put up the Yakima Off-grid basket. So if you like my video, or if my videos help you as well do the installation of the roof bars, don't forget to click subscribe, and if you have any questions or comments, write it down in the comment section. And yeah, hope you have a good time as well putting up your roof bars, and thank you very much.